Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Amy and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and go ahead and check out all the videos that we have. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my order from Grove Collaborative, and it's my very first order. If you've never heard of Grove Collaborative, then you should check them out. I have a referral link below, and what they are is they are a company that's online and they have lots of different products. They have skincare products, kid products, cleaning products, all kinds of different things. And the best part is that they are all harmless to the environment. They're all natural, they're chemical-free products that are really good for you to use. So I decided that I wanted to make my first order because I've seen lots of my friends using some of the products that are on their site. Plus, I have been following some YouTubers that love these products and they talk about them all the time. So I decided it was time for me to give them a try. So I'm going to show you all of my stuff, and keep in mind this is my very first order, and everything that I bought was for a total of $21. So the first thing I got was this Grove Collaborative little caddy, and it says Grove Collaborative here. And all this stuff in the caddy was part of a promotion that they have going on right now, and since this is my first time signing up, they sent me all this stuff for free. So the first thing in the caddy is the little scrubby brushes for little scrub sponges for the kitchen sink. Then they sent me some Mrs. Meyers products, and I'm so excited because I've never used this stuff before. The first thing they sent was some hand lotion, and this is in the basil scent, and you get to choose whatever scent you want, and I decided to go with basil because a lot of people have ranted and raved about this particular scent, so I wanted to try it out. And I also got the dishwashing soap in the basil scent, and then the last thing that I got was the hand soap, and this one was in the honeysuckle scent. I think they were out of basil for this particular one for the hand soap, so I went with the honeysuckle, which is fine because I kind of wanted to try a different scent anyways. And another thing that they sent me for free was this little glass bottle, and it says Grove Collaborative right here on the bottom, and so you could make your own little do-it-yourself cleaner if you have one and put it in that. So I thought that was pretty awesome. All of that stuff was for free. Then I'm going to show you the other stuff that I got. This stuff I actually purchased, and I decided since I'm going to be trying this stuff, it's all chemical free, I'm going to start with all the products that I use regularly. So the first thing I got was the all-purpose cleaner, and this is by Method. And then I got the glass and surface cleaner by Method. I got the Wood for Good daily cleaner by Method, and this is good for your wood surfaces and dusting and all of that. And then I got the Method Anti-Bac toilet cleaner. And the last thing I got was the Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner, so for all your other bathroom surfaces. So all of this stuff I got for $21 total, $21 and some change. And that included shipping and everything. So I don't think that I could go to the grocery store and spend $21 on just 3 or 4 products that I usually get for cleaning. So I thought that $21 for all of this stuff, and I got to just purchase it online. It was shipped straight to my door. It came really fast, so I thought that was a really good deal. Now, the other cool thing about Grove Collaborative is that they strive to ship all of their items within 3 to 5 business days. And my order happened to ship on the 6th business day. So they sent me an email, and I didn't even know it. I didn't pay attention or realize that it was past the 3 to 5 business days or whatever. But I got an email on the 6th day, and they said that they were sorry that my order shipped a little bit later than normal, that they strive for 3 to 5 business days, but mine had not made it out yet. So they actually sent it that day, but then they also said that they included a gift for my next purchase. So I got online and I checked, and they had already put the gift in my cart, and it was a free kitchen towel. So I thought that was really neat, good customer service, that they cared about their customers. Now, if you're thinking about signing up for Grove Collaborative or you want to give it a try, I say just go ahead and try it. I think you would like the products. I'm going to try them out and tell you guys what I think about them. But if you use the referral link below, then you're going to get whatever promotion they have right now, which at this point is the Grove Collaborative basket with all the cleaning products and the glass cleaning bottles. So that's what's going on right now, and it's January 2018. I'm not sure when that deal ends, but I know that they always have some sort of promotion. But they also are doing a $10 off if you use the referral link below. So that would be on top of all your other free products. I definitely think that it's worth giving it a try. Also, all of their products have a 100% money back guarantee. So, I mean, I thought that that was a pretty cool thing as well. Well guys, that's all I wanted to show you guys today was my first order with Grove Collaborative. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I would love it if you would subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.